Hello, John Tapp here. I did a quick, short, actually fairly decent macro to convert observer output, export, output, comma separated exports to Moose's event files. And I'm going to demo it right now. I got Molly's folder here. I have the observer output file in Excel right here. This is my macro file. You want to open both of these because once the macros are running, it won't let you open the other one. So you want to open both of these. I got them, both of them open here. All right, and then I put it in with the other macros I had for Moose's. Oops, it's going to be version 1.3. I'll fix that in a second. Actually, fix it right now. Okay, and I'm going to click the convert button. And then it's asking me to pick the columns where the times are, the event behavior column, and the session observation column. It's going to go through for each session and make an event file. So to use these pickers, you click the little button right here. Looks like an underline. So now it's wanting me to pick the time column, which is this one here, H. I'm just going to click on the column at the top. And then I'm going to click on this little button again. Okay, the event column now. Again, going to click on the little button and then click on the event column, which is in this file over here. Behavior column. And then the session column, which is over here. Yes, I keep passing it. That's this one, column K. Then you can pick how you want the times rounded. I'm just going to leave it to the nearest second. And then I'm going to convert. It says all done. That means it's done. We can close all this. Yeah, I changed the version number. And you can see it made all these files here, and they look like Moose's event files. So it's the event, behavior, name, comma, time. We'd already made an event code file for Moose's, so I'm going to go through how to use that now in Moose's. I'll run Moose's. Hurry up. There you go. It must have already been running or something. Okay, here's Moose's. So we need to go pick the code file. So I'm going to go to code file editor to pick that. Do file, open. This is the Molly codes to go with this. You can see they have just the strings for the behaviors in the observer file. So exit saving file, which is the same as closing it. Then I need to make an output file, so I'm going to make one to put the output in. Output. Then I'm going to go and get these files to do analysis on, and we can talk about whatever analysis later, but I'm going to do a test read just to show that it works. So I'm going to take all these files that it just made and highlight them, hold shift, click the top one, and shift, click the bottom one. That gives me all of them. Drag them in here, and then I have a file set. I'm going to save that file set if we need to. And it's pretty easy to make, so we don't really usually do that. I want to make sure that we're using Moose's files now. Just Moose's is the file format because we've converted them. And I'm going to run test reads. I'm going to run a test read, and I'll run a duration into a spreadsheet just to show you how it works. So I'm going to run that test read. Oops, it's going to go into comma separated. So it went into an Excel file, but the test read worked. And you could just make that a text file too. It's a little prettier that way. Anyway, so it read them all. There was no errors. There would be errors if there was errors. They'd be in that test read. So now I'm going to run frequencies and duration, and just so we can read it. The codes are kind of long, so it gets pretty unreadable. I'm going to go to the comma separated file. And it's analyzing all of them for counts. Basically, none of these have durations, so these duration columns don't matter right now. But these are the counts for each file of this particular behavior and this particular behavior, and so on. You can do sequential, or you can do any of the other analysis and just treat these just like Moose's event files. That should get you going. Let me know if you have questions. I'm gonna stop the recording. Don't say.